Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SamCart, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete one of your products in SamCart? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to delete a product in SamCart anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes products are seasonal, so you'd rather go ahead and remove it from your SamCart. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your SamCart dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my SamCart, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to delete a product, here on the left side, you're going to click on products. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the products you have available in SamCart. So just scroll through until you find the product you want to delete. If you have a huge list of products, you can go ahead and use the search bar right here. Once you found the product, go ahead and hover over the product. Once you hover over it, you're going to see these three little dots pop up here on the right. Click on there. Once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on delete. All right, once you do that, you're going to get this warning. Are you sure you want to delete this product in SamCart? They do let you know that all of the sales that you previously had for this product are going to remain in your reports. If you're okay with that, click on delete product. I'm not going to do that because I'm still using this particular product. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete a product in your SamCart, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.